Good morning, dear children. Today we start the lesson The Photograph. This is a story which is written by Ruskin Bond. In this story, we will find two main characters, that is, a grandmother and her grandson, as you can see in this picture. There is a boy who is 10 years old and there is his old grandmother. The story is about an old picture that this boy finds out, and there is a conversation between him and his grandmother about this yellow foggy old picture. The boy wants to find out who is this in the picture. The grandmother describes everything about the picture but do not tell the child that who she is. So now you know that this story is about a boy 10 years old and his grandmother. एक बच्चे की और उसकी दादी की कहानी है ये. Author of the story is Ruskin Bond, and Ruskin Bond has written many beautiful stories for children, and you must have read some of it in your previous class 4th also. Start the story. I was 10 years old. My grandmother sat on a string bed under the mango tree. String bed is bed made of strings. It was late summer and there were sunflowers in the garden and a warm wind in the trees. You see, in the summer season, sunflowers grow. My grandmother was knitting a woolen scarf for the winter months. She was very old, dressed in a plain white sari. Knitting means bunna. Woolen scarf bun rahi thi grandmother. Her eyes were not very strong now, but her fingers moved quickly with the needles, and the needles kept clicking all the afternoon. You must have seen your mother's or grandmother's knitting. Grandmother had white hair, but there were very few wrinkles on her skin. Wrinkles means churiyan. I had come home after playing in the Maidan. I had taken my meal and now I was rummaging. Rummaging means searching through a box of old books and family heirlooms that had just that day been brought out of the attic by my mother. तो जैसे आपके घर पे भी कभी सफाई होती है तो कोई पुराना बॉक्स निकल कर आता है जिसमें पुरानी बुक्स या पुराने फोटोग्राफ्स निकल कर आते हैं. In the same way, nothing in the box interested me very much except for a book with colorful pictures of birds and butterflies. I was going through the book when I found a small photograph between the pages. It was a faded picture, yellow and foggy. It was the picture of a girl standing against a wall, and behind the wall there was nothing but sky. But from the other side, a pair of hands reached up as though someone was going to climb the wall. There were flowers growing near the girl, but I couldn't tell what they were. There was a creeper too, but it was just a creeper. What are the things he saw? He saw a girl standing against a wall, and then there was sky behind it, and he saw a pair of hands. Now if you look the picture carefully, you can see a pair of hands. इसे देखकर ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई पीछे से वॉल पे क्लाइंब करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. And flowers were also there, but he doesn't know what flowers because the picture was black and white. And there was a creeper also. Ran out into the garden. Granny, I shouted, look at this picture. I found it in the box of old things. Whose picture is it? So the boy asked his grandmother about the picture. कि किसकी picture है? I jumped on the bed beside my grandmother and she enveloped me on the bottom and said, The grandmother hit playfully to the child on his bottom and said, "Now I have lost count of my stitches, and the next time you do, I will make you finish the scarf yourself." Means जब बुनते हैं ना तो उसकी एक काउंटिंग करते हैं. So she said that now I have forgot my countings. Now what you have to do? इस बार अगर तुमने डिस्टर्ब किया तो मैं तुम्ही से ये स्कार्फ कंप्लीट करवाऊंगी. Granny was always threatening to teach me how to knit, which I thought was a disgraceful thing for a boy to do. ग्रैंडमदर थी वो हमेशा यही कहकर डराती थी कि मैं तुम्हें स्टिचिंग करवाऊंगी तुमसे. This 10-year-old boy felt that this was disgraceful, shameful thing for a boy to do knitting. It was a good deterrent for keeping me out of mischief. Means मुझे शैतानी करने से रोकने के लिए. This ये बहुत अच्छी deterrent. Remember we read this word in the word meanings. To make the child avoid doing something. किसी बच्चे को किसी mischief करने से, कोई शैतानी करने से रोकने के लिए जिस बात से डराया जाता है, that type of thing is called deterrent. I had torn the drawing room curtains, and Granny had put a needle and thread in my hand and made me stitch the curtain together. Even though I made long 2-inch stitches which had to be taken out by my mother and done again. तो ये कह रहा है कि इससे पहले भी एक बार मैंने ड्राइंग रूम का कर्टन जो है अपनी शैतानी में फाड़ डाला था, तो ग्रैनी ने मुझे निडल एंड थ्रेड दिया था कि खुद इसे स्टिच करो. तो उसने बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टिचेस लगाए थे जो उसकी मदर को वापस से ठीक कर कर फिर से करना पड़ा था. Today we will end our class here itself. So you read the lesson up till here, and can you tell me what was the thing that the boy found in the old box which interested him the most?